dear friends, now I am going to discuss very important concept. Once you understand this concept, you will be able to solve any tricky questions of this chapter in fractions of second. I repeat, you will be able to solve minimum 80% of the questions of this chapter in fractions of second if you understand this concept. Okay, so let us start this. Please observe here. I am going to discuss the divisibility by 4. Okay, so in order to check a number is divisible by 4, please observe how to check. Okay, now 3, 1, 2, 4, 4. Okay, in order to check this number is divisible by 4 or not, you need not divide the entire number. Okay, just to check last two digit. If a last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. I repeat, if last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. So let me take one more example. 41664. Okay, now you need not divide the entire number to tell whether the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so if you check last two digit, if last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. In this case, last two digit is divisible by 4, hence this entire number is divisible by 4. In this case, last two digit is divisible by 4, hence the entire number is divisible by 4. Let me take another example. 61735. Now you check whether the last two digit is divisible by 4. The last two digit is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. Hence, 61,735 is not divisible by 4. Why I am explaining divisibility by 4 rule here? Because I require this concept to solve next set of questions. Hence, I am explaining. Hope you have understood the concept. If last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. If last two digit is not divisible by 4, then the entire number is not divisible by 4. Hope you have understood the concept. Now, we have already discussed what is 1 power anything, what is 0 power anything, what is 5 power anything, what is 6 power anything. Now, I am going to discuss what is 2 power something, what is 3 power something, what is 4 power something, what is 7 power something, what is 8 power something, and what is 9 power something. Okay, now please understand here. If you understand the concept, you can solve any questions, okay, in fractions of seconds. Hence I say concept or logic is your weapon. Okay, please hear. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4 is 16, and in the 16 what is the units place? 6. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, units place is what? 6. Okay, now 2 power 5, 2 power 5 is again 2. 2 power 6 is again 4. 2 power 7 is again 8. 2 power 7 is again 8. 2 power 8, again it is 6. Okay, the same thing is going to repeat. Okay, when it is going to repeat? After 4. Hence, the cyclicity for your 2 is 4. Understood? The cyclicity for your 2 is 4. Now, please observe. Suppose in your competitive exam, if they give question like this, 2 to the power of 424. What is the unit digit? So the question is, what is the unit digit? Okay, my dear friends, just a few seconds ago, I have explained you divisibility by 4 rule. Yes or no? Yes. If last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Okay. I know cyclicity for your 2 is 4. Yes or no? Yes. See, what is the cyclicity for your 4? 2? 4. Hence, a power, whatever the power they have given, we will divide by 4. Understood? See here, 2 to the power of 424. So I will divide by 4. In order to check whether number is divisible by 4 or not, you need not consider the entire number. Just consider the last two digit. Yes or no? Yes. See, this can be written as 2 to the power of 24. Why? Because if 24 is divisible by 4, definitely 424 is also divisible by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore, just we will consider 2 to the power of 24. Okay. This can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 6. Yes or no? Yes. We already know 2 power 4 is 6. What is 2 power 4? 6. Please here 2 to the power of 4 is 6. And 4 multiplied by anything, 4 multiplied by anything is always 6. Is always 6. Hence 2 to the power of 424, the units place is 6. Units place is 6. Let me explain one more time, my dear friends. Now, supposing in your exam, if they give 2 to the power of 424, what is the unit digit? I know cyclicity for your 2 is 4. Hence, I am going to divide the power by 4. The divisibility rule for your 4 says, if last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now, since last two digit only we have to consider for divisibility by 4, I will consider 24 only. This can be expressed as 2 power 4 into 6. We already know 2 power 4 is 6. What is 2 power 4? 6. Hence, 2 power 4 multiplied by anything is also 6 in the units place. Why? This is nothing but 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 4, like that 6 times. Yes or no? Yes. Hence, units digit is 6 in this case. Hope you have understood. Let me take another example. Please see here. Okay. If you understand the concept, you can solve any question in fractions of second. 2 to the power of 96. 2 to the power of 96. See, 96 is divisible by 4, yes or no? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Okay. See, this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16. 2 power 4 units digit is 6. And 2 power 4 multiplied by anything, unit digit is 6. So what is the answer for this question? Units digit is 6, my dear friends. See how quickly we are doing. Let me take one more example. 2 to the power of 129 I will consider. 2 to the power of 129. I have already discussed. Okay. You need not consider the entire number to check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. Just consider last two digit. Just consider last two digit. So this will be written as 2 to the power of 29. Okay. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 sevens is 28. Okay, but it is 29. Therefore, I will write plus 1 here. Plus 1. This can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 7 into 2 to the power of 1. Why? Because this is nothing but a power m plus n. A power m plus n is nothing but a power m into a power n. Okay. Now please see here. 2 to the power of 4 into anything is 6 in the units place. 2 power 1 is 2. 6 into 2 is 12. In 12, what is the unit digit? 2. Therefore, the unit digit of 2 to the power of 129 is 2, my dear friends. Hope you have understood. Hence, I say logic or concept is your power, your weapon. Once you are cleared with your concepts or logic, you can apply that concept and logic to any of the question. You need not worry about the question. You need not worry about the exam. Okay. Once you understand logic and concept, because logic is your power. Hope you have understood. Okay. Now I will go for 3, my dear friends. Now please observe here. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. Units place is 7. I will consider only units place. Why? Because the chapter itself is units place. In the entire chapter, we will only work out, we only calculate what is the units place, nothing else. Then 3 power 4 is 1. 3 power 4 is 1. Okay. Then 3 power 5 again 3. 3 power 6 9. 3 power 7 is 7. 3 power 8 again 1. Hence, the cyclicity for your 3 is also 4. I repeat, the cyclicity for your 3 is also 4. Suppose in your competitive exam, if they give question like this, 123 to the power of 98. So what is the unit digit? Okay, what they are asking? To find out the unit digit. Since they are asking only the unit digit, you need not consider the entire number. So what is there in a unit digit? 3. Just worry about 3 only. Okay, now this can be written as 3 to the power of 98. Sir, why you are writing only 3? Because the unit digit depends upon unit digit only. Okay, now hence this is written like this. Hope you have understood. Next, see here. This can be written as 3 to the power of 4 2 times is 8. 4 4 times is 16. 4 4 times is 16. What left out? 2 is the remainder. Yes or no? Yes. I know 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 1, my dear friends. See, 3 power 4 is 1. 4 multiplied by anything will be having 1 in the units place. That into 3 square. What is 3 square? 9. 9 into 1 is 9. So what is the answer for this question? 9, my dear friends. What is the answer? 9. If you know the logic, if you understand the concept, no one will stop you. You will become unstoppable. You can crack any competitive exams if you know the shortcuts, logic, and concept. Okay, hope you have understood with this. Let me take another example now. 143 4 to the power of 9426. 9426. They will ask, find the unit digit. Find the unit digit. You need not worry about the question. Why I should not worry about the question? Because I know the logic. I know the concept. Okay, I will learn the concept. I never worry about the question. Please hear. I have already discussed. If you want to find out the unit digit, we just focus on unit digit, nothing else. This can be written as 3 to the power of just 26 I will consider, because divisibility by 4 says if last 2 digit is divisible by 4, entire number is divisible by 4. Hence, just I will consider this. This can be written as 3 to the power of, okay, 4 6 times is 24, 2 is the remainder. Yes or no? Yes. 3 power 4, we already know it is 1. 4 into anything is 1 only. Okay, this is 1 into 3 square is 9. So what is the unit digit in this case, my dear friends? The answer is 9. What is the answer? 9. This is how we can work out, we can calculate any questions, any problems in fractions of second using concept and logic. Okay. Now, I am going to move for 4 now. I am going to give you the best trick in the world for 4. Please listen very carefully. See here. 4 power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16, units place 6. 4 cube 64, units place 4. 4 power 4, again it is 6. Again it is 6. 4 power 5, again it is 4. Now, one thing you can observe here, 4 power odd number, 4 power odd number, 4 power odd number is 4 in the units place. 4 power odd number is 4 in the units place. 4 power even number, 4 power even number is 6 in the units place. 6 in the units place. Hope you have understood the logic. Hope you have understood the concept. Please see here. 4 power odd number is there means we will be having 4 in the units place. If we have 4 power even number, then we'll be having 6 in the units place. That's all. Game is over. Now, in your exam, if they give question like this, 4 to the power of 4, 3, 6, 9, and they ask what is the unit digit. See here, this is odd number. 4 power odd number is 4 in the unit digit. That's it. Game is over. Suppose if they give one more question like this, 4 to the power of 9, 4, 3, 6, what is the even number? Without touching pen and paper, I can say the unit digit is 6. Why? Because 4 power even number is 6 always. Hope you have understood. Now, we have completed this. 1 power anything is 1, 0 power anything is 0, 2 power 4 is 6, 4 power 4 is, 3 power 4 is 1. 4 power odd number is 4, 4 power even number is 6. 5 we have already discussed. 5 power anything is 5, 6 power anything is 6. Similarly, now we will discuss 7 now. Please here. 7 power 1 is 7. 7 square is 49, 9 in the units place. 7 cube will be having 3 in the units place. 7 power 4 will be having 1 in the units place. 1 in the units place. After this cycle is going to repeat. Hence, the cyclicity for your 7 is also 4, my dear friends. Hope you have understood. Okay. Now, suppose in your exam, if they give question like this, 3167 whole to the power of 87, what is the unit digit? If they ask, nothing to worry, just consider the units place. 7 to the power of 87, this can be written as 7 power 4 into, see, 4 2 times is 8, 4 1 times is 4, then 3 is the remainder. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, 7 power 4 is 1, 4 multiplied by anything is 1 only. See, 7 power 4 is 1, 4 multiplied by anything is 1. 1 into, this is 7 cube. Okay, so 7 cube will be having 3 in the units place. Yes or no? Yes. So 3 into 1 is what? 3. The answer for this question is 3, my dear friends. What is the answer? 3. Hope you have understood. Now we will go for 8. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 square is 64 units place 8. 8 cube will be having 2 in the units place. 8 power 4 we will be having 6 in the units place. Okay, I will give you the trick to remember all this at the end of this video. Nothing to worry. I am there for you for each and every concept and each and every problem. Nothing to worry, my dear friends. Okay, see here. If they give in an exam, what is 8 power 205? 205. Very easily we will work out. See here, the divisibility by 4 says just consider last 2 digit. That's it, right? So this can be written as 8 power 5. Last 2 digit it was 0, 5 is nothing but 5. Nothing but 8 power 4 plus 1. Yes or no? Yes. 8 power 4 is 6. 8 power 4 is 6. 6 into 8 power 1 is 8. 8 6 times is 48. What is the units place? 8. What is the units place? 8. See how easily we worked out. Hope you have understood with 8 also. Now 9 is very interesting. Okay, so let me learn all this. Let me learn that also. Please hear. 9 power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81, units place is 1. 9 cube will be having 9 again. 9 power 4 also will be having 1 in the unit digit. Please observe here. 9 power odd number. 9 power odd number is 9 in the units place. 9 power even number. 9 power even number is 1 in the units place. See here. 9 power odd number is 9. Okay. 9 power even number is 1. That's it. Game is over. Please see. If they give a question like this, 1349 whole to the power of 461, what is the unit digit? Just consider the unit digit. 9 power odd number is 9. 9 power odd number is 9 in the units place. Suppose one more question. 1369 whole power 326. What is the unit digit? Just closing my eyes without touching pen and paper, mark the answer as 1. Why? Because 9 power even number is 1. Hope you have understood. If you know this, you can solve any question in this chapter. Hope you have understood. Now, let me summarize each and everything what we have discussed. Please see. 0 power n is 0. 1 power n is always 1. 2 power 4, okay, 4 power 4, 6 power 4, 8 power 4, we will be having 6 in the units place. That means even number power is always 6, my dear friends. Even number power 4 is always 6. Then I know 5 power anything is 5, 6 power anything is 6. Okay, then please see here 3 power 4. Okay, then 7 power 4, 9 power 4. We will be having 1 in the units place. 1 in the units place. Easy to remember. See, 0 power n is 0, 1 power n is 1. 6 power anything is 6, 5 power anything is 5, 2, 4 is exceptional, you can consider or not. 2, 4, 6, 8 power 4 is always 6, 3 power 4, 7 power 4, 9 power 4 is always 1, my dear friends. One more logic, please see here. 9 power n, if n is odd, then it is 1 in the units place. If n is, it is 9 in the units place, 9. If n is even, then we will be having 1 in the units place. This is another logic we should know. Okay. Now, similarly, 4 power n. If n is odd, okay, then we will be having what? 4 in the units place. If n is even, okay, then we will be having 6 in the units place. Hope you have understood. If you have understood this logic, then we are going to start questions asked in various competitive exams, including your banking, railways, staff selection, LIC, GIC, IAS, and many campus recruitment tests. Thank you.